Think cardio kills gains? Nope. In fact, with a planned program, it boosts your physical and cognitive skills in any kind of sports, school, or even at work. In the next few minutes, I'll give you a simple plan. Zone 2, HIIT, and tempo to boost strength, endurance, and fat loss. Let's move. Why cardio matters. Bro, cardio isn't here to steal your gains. It's here to upgrade your engine. Even if your main goal is muscle, a better engine means more energy for your sets, faster recovery between them, stronger pumps, and an easier time staying lean. Think of it like adding a turbo to your lifting. You're still building size, but now your body can actually handle the work and bounce back quicker. There's also a brain boost you shouldn't ignore. Regular cardio is linked with better mood, lower stress, and sharper focus. Huge if you're juggling classes, work, or late-night study sessions. The best part is you don't need marathon sessions to get benefits. A few smart, short workouts each week check the health box and make your lifting better, not worse. If you've never done cardio before, relax. We'll keep it simple, explain each style in plain language, and give you easy cues so you know exactly what to do. Cardio types. Zone 2 is your easy, steady pace that could hold a conversation but wouldn't sing speed. Picture a brisk walk, light jog, or casual spin on a bike where breathing is a little heavier but still controlled. If you like numbers, think roughly half to 2/3 of your max heart rate. Start with 20 to 30 minutes. It's gentle on your joints, builds your aerobic base, and you can repeat it often without wrecking your legs. HIIT is the short, hard stuff. Do a brief burst near your limit, then cruise easy to catch your breath, and repeat. A beginner-friendly pattern on a bike or rower is 20 seconds hard, a minute 40 easy, for 8 to 10 rounds. The whole thing takes 10 to 15 minutes and it's crazy efficient for improving your conditioning. Keep HIIT to once a week to start so you actually recover and still smash your lifts. Tempo or threshold work sits between those two. It's a steady, comfortably hard pace where you can talk in short phrases, not full sentences. It builds real athletic carryover without the all-out effort of sprints. Start with 10 to 20 minutes as a continuous block, or break it into 2 10-minute chunks with an easy spin between. If you hate running, use a bike or rower. If you love the track, keep it soft and controlled. Different tools, same goal, a bigger engine. If you don't have a heart rate monitor, the talk test is your best friend. Full sentences means moderate. Short phrases means vigorous. Gasping single words means you went too hard. How to program. Let's slot this into your week so cardio supports muscle instead of fighting it. If you're cutting or doing a clean recomp, aim for 2 Zone 2 sessions of about 25 to 35 minutes on days you're not crushing legs. Rest days or after upper body are perfect. Add 1 short HIIT session on a bike or rower for 10 to 15 minutes, and keep it at least a day away from heavy squats or deadlifts, so your legs still have pop when it matters. If you're chasing more engine and sport carryover, shift the emphasis a bit. Keep 1 longer Zone 2, 40 to 60 minutes works well. Add 1 tempo session of 15 to 20 minutes midweek, and keep 1 short HIIT finisher for that top-end stimulus. Prefer cycling or rowing when mass matters. They're lower impact and less likely to interfere with strength than stacking lots of hard runs. As a simple compass, try to land near the public health baseline over the week, roughly 150 minutes of moderate effort or 75 minutes of vigorous effort total. Your lifting and warm-ups count toward that, so use cardio to fill the gap, not bulldoze your recovery. If you've got any medical issues, especially heart or breathing concerns, talk to a pro before you ramp things up. Cardio and lifting. Cardio kills gains, only shows up when the plan is chaos. Like sprinting hard the night before heavy squats, running every day, and never recovering. When you keep Zone 2 on rest or upper body days and save intense work for a bike or rower away from big lower body lifts, your strength holds steady and your work capacity improves. That means better sets, more quality reps, and easier fat loss. Another trap is trying to do HIIT daily because it feels hardcore. That just buries your recovery and flattens your performance. Keep the redline sessions to 1 or 2 per week, then let easy aerobic work quietly build your capacity in the background. And remember, more sweat doesn't mean more fat burned. Sweat is water. Track things that matter, like how many easy minutes you accumulate, how hard it actually feels, and whether your legs still show up strong on squat day. In one line, Zone 2 builds your base, HIIT boosts your engine, tempo makes you athletic, and smart scheduling protects your gains. Do it consistently, and your lungs, legs, and lifts will all move in the right direction. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next drops. We're building an engine here, body, mind, and performance, 1 week at a time. Tell me in the comments which plan you're running this month. Cut, recomp, or performance. If you've got questions about zones, HIIT timing, or pairing cardio with leg day, drop them below and I'll help you dial it in. Next up, watch Creatine Explained for Beginners and Push Day Essentials for Beginners. Save this video, stick to the plan, and I'll see you in the next one.